Running a Facebook business page is one of the most feasible options you can use, but a challenge to many. You need to understand the platform first to guarantee success. If you are not sure where to start, here are the 10 top things you need to know beforehand. Get the objectives clear first. You need to know why you are on Facebook in the first place, what you need to get from it, and whom you are targeting. Besides, you also need to understand how to achieve what you are looking for in your pursuit. Cross-promotion. This involves linking your page to other social networks, business cards, and anywhere else where you can get as many eyes online to find your business. Share your personal profile with as many people as possible and get the word out. Make sure to invest in your business page if you want to get a positive result from it. Whether it is going for sponsored stories, Facebook ads, offers, promoted posts, anything that you can invest into for a positive outcome, go for it. Value is crucial. Ensure you offer value to your visitors, along with your objective. It is advisable keeping the content valuable and worthwhile. Then promotional marketers and sponsors can see the quality you provide. Enhance the visibility of your post. One thing is that only about 16% of your fans can see your post. To change this, you can use Facebook EdgeRank to determine what post appears on your newsfeed. If you want to take the efficiency of your posts to a completely new level, then this app is for you. Other features. Apart from the EdgeRank, Facebook has other features that you can make excellent use of as well. Such features include pinned posts, featured links, post targeting, highlighted posts, custom tabs, and post scheduler, to mention but a few. These features can be far-reaching in effect when it comes to making your posts stand out. Utilize space prudently. If you use the space offered wisely, you can create a lasting impression on your visitors and make them want to come back continuously. This applies to the cover image, the About section, and the other important factors you need to address in the space offered. This section gives you the opportunity to communicate your purpose and engage your visitors. Let the cover market you. The first thing a visitor is likely to see upon landing on your Facebook page is your cover photo. As such, you need to make sure this image talks details about your business, which can help the target group associate easily with your page. Consistency matters. If you do not post regularly, then your page's visitors are likely to stop coming back. On the contrary, posting quite often keeps the communication going and the link with your visitors alive. However, it is wise ensuring that you are posting relevant information too. Make sure you have something that builds your audience, educates them, and entertainment from time to time is worthwhile. Response is vital. Comments may seem to be a regular thing, and quite often than not, many people do not consider responding to them. This is one area where you can build your business page to levels you could not expect. Response to comments is essential as it keeps you in touch with your visitors, and, above all, helps understand what they expect of you. Also, keep your permissions open for visitors to get in touch. It may sound easy, but it takes commitment to make your Facebook business page what you want it to be. These ideas can help you get things started. Just go for what works best for you. In the wake of online marketing, Facebook has been one of the avenues where you can market effectively. However, this calls for considering several things even before testing the waters. The most important barrier is competition, whether weak or strong. This can help understand reasons for failures or success on the Facebook platform. Besides this aspect, you also need to keep an eye on the following factors as well. These 8 tips will take you to the top. Facebook Marketplace. The Marketplace feature on Facebook was launched in 2016. It is not very different from other listing websites, but it offers the benefit of seeing the seller's or buyer's profile. Most of the time, people do not take Facebook business pages as seriously as they should. As a result, many end up making mistakes that cost them negative effects and reviews. If you are running a business page on this platform, then ensure you keep these mistakes at bay. Making it about you. This is the first misconception. Many think that their business page on Facebook is about them, but the opposite is the case. This page should be more about your visitors. You should keep them in mind and only post about yourself occasionally. Sweating the details. One of the things you need to avoid is making your page boring by posting almost every other minute. No matter how great your posts are, just posting in a 1 out of 10 ration goes a long way in communicating to your visitors. You do not have to flood them with damn information repeatedly to let them know what you have, just take it slow. Running a dormant page, this mistake also goes unnoticed and can be devastating. If you are not ready to manage the page, do not start it until you are sure you are capable of posting continually. This means ensuring you post regularly, not just once a month and you disappear. You are not social. The word speaks volumes. Social media is about being social. If you fail in this aspect, then you have just lost. Being social includes keeping in touch with your visitors by giving them content, engaging them and responding to their comment as well. Maintain the connection, and you will have engaging eyes coming back for more. Over the years, Facebook has evolved into paving the way to video ads. Thanks to its creative and market-oriented developers. You can use the following tips to jumpstart your marketing with video ads, taking advantage of the new and revolutionary Facebook feature. Have your specific audience in mind when making a Facebook video. Make sure to be driven by your target audience. Know the products and services they like and are likely to buy. Here you have the advantage of a huge client base that will instantly want to be a part of the buying team once they see you have them in mind and give them what they want. Be sure to come up with something they will look forward to. Keep your audience interested and entertained. One thing you have to know about Facebook is that it is not a place for serious ads. Hey, don't make serious videos, entertain your customers too. This is a simple remedy that will keep them hooked and look forward to your videos, products, and services. All work and no play make Jack a dull boy. Be careful not to make your customers dull. Are your videos pinned? You need to get your videos pinned. A powerful tool that gives you the freedom to stick your videos at the top of your page. It is simply glued there. Why? To make the videos easily visible and noted, it is guaranteed to be the first post to be seen. A pinned video can't be pushed anywhere even when you are publishing new content. Addition is multiplication. Do you know why the novel Dear John by Nicholas Sparks was adapted into a movie? Of course you do. People are enticed with watching rather than reading. Movies only taken 1 hour and 30 minutes to watch, whereas the novel may take you weeks and weeks of reading. Because people prefer videos, why don't you make more and more to emphasize the importance of your products and services and how they can get them? Adding more high-quality videos is multiplying your fan base. Is your video making sense? Don't bother begging to be followed or shared. You may annoy potential fans and followers. Instead, create a meaningful message, one that can easily be understood by your target audience. For instance, create a very short video with the intended message, then link the audience to your blog for more information about deals, coupons, and discounts. Also, make sure your video is interactive. Maximize the use of Facebook Power Editor. This is a powerful tool when correctly used, as it may yield a good number of new consumers. It is used to create and post videos. To make it notable, the ads are placed in the newsfeed, helping in notifying your user about the video. Keep pushing. In other words, be consistent with your message and keep posting new videos regularly. However, make sure the videos are high quality, interesting, entertaining, and straight to the message. Thanks to Facebook, marketing your products are easier. Go ahead and make your customers want your products through watching captivating and informed video content. Facebook Live is a key way of promoting an upcoming event in your business. After the preparations for the event are over, schedule a time to make a special live video on the same. During the announcement of the event, ensure you have a universal resource locator that your fans can easily remember. Post the link in the video comments section for users. During the actual event, stream live on Facebook for users who might have missed attending the event. Apart from running a Facebook page, you might have a Facebook group where you interact with users. You can have weekly updates of your products and services. If you run more than one Facebook group, this is a great way of connecting members to a variety of services offered. Live group broadcasts provide an opportunity for deepening your relationships with people. Custom settings on the Facebook group, so that you can be the only one making such a live video on the group. Invest in additional voice boosting equipment to ensure audibility. Facebook Video Live is a great way of ensuring customers gets a vivid description of the business and its products. It gives a chance of real-time interactivity that boosts connection between the seller and the potential buyers. Online marketing can efficiently be as simple as placing advertisements on a Facebook page. The advertisements come on the side of a Facebook page. It includes a picture of the item on sale in addition to the link or hyperlink to a business page. You can customize each advertisement to meet a specific group of users or for a certain location. Facebook contests, holding various Facebook contests on particular items and rewarding participants is a great awareness creation tool. Many people get to know your brands through such contests. The contests will direct users in participation on a third-party already established application. Sponsored stories: these are a kind of advertisement where a user gets to share the experience with the certain product. If someone went for snacks at McDonald's, their friends can easily get to learn of their experience. In this way, products are promoted and get more users. Sponsored stories are the only advertisement available on the mobile devices. Once a user likes a certain business page, the information is automatically posted on the newsfeed. A brand gets more fans through sponsored stories. Facebook Open Graph: unlike the other advertisement tools where one just likes or comments on a specific story, an open graph creates interactivity between the users and the seller. The third-party application enables the actions that users perform on Facebook posts. Entrepreneurs need creativity in deciding the kind of action users can take, such as listen or read. You might have attracted a couple of customers with the strategies mentioned above. However, it takes more to keep traffic coming to your store and make them repeat customers. Flood your store with interesting and most recent products. This will attract more clients and in return make huge sales. Try to design creative and unique ways of describing the images of your products. Use taglines that will show up in search results and help potential customers interested find the product. Start a Facebook store. Keep in mind that true success depends on how creative and unique you are in designing your products and promoting them. Please subscribe to Financier Pro YouTube channel.